guys, welcome back to Top Chinese. Hello, 𝐶𝐿𝐼. Lots of students contact me talking about their Cantonese tongue, which is not perfect, so they are so nervous to speak to a Cantonese speaker. I totally understand how you feel, but don't feel so nervous, okay? Cantonese tongue is just one tiny part inside this beautiful language. So today, let's try to do some tongue practice. Before we start it, check if you have subscribed my channel, Top Chinese with 𝐔𝐿𝐼. And in following months, I will reopen a new page about Mandarin learning. First, let's try to pronounce these 4 words. 𝐵𝐵, 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 𝐵𝐵. So, 𝐵𝐵, 𝐵𝐵. It means January. We use it a lot. So, 𝐵𝐵. All of them are at the high pitch. 𝐵𝐵. Okay? The second one. 𝐵𝐵, 𝐵𝐵. 𝐵𝐵 means a half. 𝐵, 𝐵 is 3 tone. Right now, let's try to repeat the first one. This one, for January, it will be 𝐵𝐵, 𝐵𝐵. It's quite high pitch. A half. 𝐵𝐵, 𝐵𝐵. Let's try to read together. 𝐵𝐵, 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 𝐵𝐵. Let's try to change another one. Let's go to second tone. 𝐵𝐵, 𝐵𝐵. I always tell my students, the second tone and the fifth tones are raising tone. So raising tone is like from lower pitch to higher pitch. So it will be 𝐵, 𝐵. So 𝐵𝐵, 𝐵𝐵. 𝐵𝐵 means measure word for book, like 𝐵𝐵𝐻, 𝐵𝐵𝐻. Let's try to borrow the 𝐵 from 𝐵𝐵. Let's put it into 𝐵𝐵, 𝐵𝐵, 𝐵𝐵. 𝐵 and 𝐵. Be careful. Some students always make mistakes of this. Normally, people will not feel confused. Once when you talk about Monday and Sunday, it will make people feel confused. 星期一, 星期一. Very high pitch, right? And 星期日, 星期日. Sunday. So, 一日, 一日, one day. Have you already figured out what's the difference of this? Let's try to read these 4 important characters together. January. 𝐵𝐵, 𝐵𝐵. A half. 𝐵𝐵, 𝐵𝐵. A book. 𝐵𝐵, 𝐵𝐵. Japan. 𝐵𝐵, 𝐵𝐵. I hope you have already figured out what's the difference of it. If you haven't, let's try to see more. The second group are quite common as well. Leave. 住, 住. 我住喺香港. 我住喺香港. I live in Hong Kong. 住, 住, 6 tone. Pig is 豬, 豬, high pitch. Pork, 豬肉, 豬肉. And cook, 煮, 煮, 煮飯, 煮飯. So right now I try to read it, and then you tell me which one you hear. 豬, 豬. Have you noticed? Pig, 煮, 煮. Which one? Yes, cook. So let's try to combine them together. It will be 我一個人住，我鍾意煮豬肉。我一個人住，我鍾意煮豬肉。I live alone. I like to cook park. Next one, wait and light. Dang, dang, light. Dang, dang, wait. Before, I think the first tone and the second tone are quite easy, but it turns out that some students may have this mistake. So the first tone, it will be dang, dang, light, dang, dang, to wait. Small, we have two words. Here we're talking about the written way, it will be 𝐶𝐬. 𝐶𝐬 is raising tone. But some students, they pronounce like 𝐶𝐬. 𝐶𝐬. 𝐶𝐬 is like burn, like 𝑐𝐴 𝑐𝐴, the barbecue pork. Do you like it? So we have to pronounce it right, otherwise it will make big mistakes. And what's more, lots of students has this problem about 𝐼 and 𝐼, 𝐼 and 𝐼. Wow, so difficult to say that. When you pronounce this one like 我係美國人, 我係美國人, but you pronounce as 我係美國人, it's okay. But some students, you pronounce like 我係美國人, that is totally wrong. Okay? Actually, 係 first tone, it just is the vagina in Cantonese. Okay, that is super rude. After I telling you this, please, next time don't pronounce it wrong, okay? To be, it will be 係 我係美國人 我係美國人 is a sixth tone, the flat, low pitch. I am American. I'm in American. I'm in Hong Kong. 我喺美國 我喺美國 raising tone. Okay? I don't want to hear about the rude words anymore. So today we're talking about some common mistakes of some common words. If you have pronounced this one well, I guess people feel the tones is quite good. And if you still have problem about your tones, no worries. It's not a big deal. The most important of a language is about communicate. If people can understand you, no problem. No worries. Try to be confident and speak it out. If you would like to correct your Cantonese pronunciation, you could book my lesson and we will try to have a conversation and let me correct your mistakes. And if you would like to learn more Jyutping, and you could buy my Jyutping material. I'm looking forward to see you in my private class. See you soon. Bye bye.